Neighborhood property line starts right about in here. There's the home. Honey Creek is right out there. Home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and just under 3,000 square feet. Come on in and make yourself at home. We have a 4 bedroom, 3 bath home, 2 levels. Living area with high ceilings and fireplace that overlooks the lake. That door leads to the garage. There is pantry. Here's that kitchen we've seen pictures of. Pardon me for dwelling on things, but I really do love that stove. That's natural gas, city water, city gas. And you can see the hardwoods that cover the dining area as well as down the hall to the bedrooms. We're going to find a bathroom on our right, full guest bath, guest bedroom on the roadside so that they can't see the lake. And on this side, on this level, is the master suite with access to the deck and the lake. Nice updated dual sinks. This is where that beautiful shower is. Good sized linen closet right there. And a great sized walk-in closet. There is an attic fan to bring that fresh air in when you come to the lake. And we're going to go down here and we're going to step out onto the deck. Swing on this side. It's all covered. Deck runs around here. More deck, and more deck. And as I often say, we need as much outside living space as we do have space inside the house. And there is the boat dock. And as we make our way down the stairs, we round the corner and we have family area. Another fireplace. More lake access. The parrot is right across the way. Got like a second family kitchenette here. Large storage area. Could also be considered a safe room. We've got city gas for the water heater, city gas for the heat for the Linux system. Down this hallway Another bedroom with access to the hot tub and a good sized closet that goes back under the stairs. Across the hall is another full bath. And a workshop area. Place to store the lake toys. And if that had double French doors, you could almost put wave runners or riding lawnmowers in here. Gentle slope to the yard, garden shed. Here is that hot tub. I did not smell chlorine when I opened it up, so not sure how recently it was used. It is protected in here. There's Honey Creek Marina. The parrot is back in there. And here is the boat dock. We had quite a bit of rain last night, so everything is damp, which is good because we were looking for some rain. But it's also a bit of a gray day. I wish I could have had some sunshine for you.